So over here is my Firestick. First things first, you want to head over to the settings of your Firestick device. So just go over to the settings over here. Now you want to scroll down until you get to my Fire TV, click on it. And now you want to go ahead and click on the About option. Now you want to go ahead and press on the name of your Fire TV device shown over here 7 times. Now this will enable developer options for us to be able to install the IPTV Smarters Pro into our smart TV. So you just want to go ahead and press it 7 times. And now you can see that we are now a developer as shown in the bottom over here. Now what you just want to do is to go back. And then you want to scroll down until you get to this developer options over here, click on it. And now you want to go ahead and click on Install Unknown Apps. Click on it, and then click on OK. Now you want to exit this settings option, and then you want to go over to the App Store off your Fire TV, so just go ahead and open up the App Store of your Firestick, and then you want to go over to the top search bar on the top left corner of the TV, so just scroll over to this search icon. Now you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it. It's a popular app, and you can see that even before I finish typing the download, that option is already here. So I'll just scroll down and then click on Downloader. So now you want to go ahead and click on the Download app. Now you also want to go ahead and make sure you download this app into your Firestick. Now once it is downloaded and installed into your Firestick, you want to go ahead and open it directly from here. Now you want to go ahead and give downloader access to files and photos on your Firestick so it can download the IPTV Smarters Pro. So just go ahead and click on Allow. Then go ahead and click on OK. Now you want to head over to the browser option at the top left corner of the Download the app, click on the browser, and you're going to get this nice looking browser. Now you just want to scroll over to the top just like so. Click on it. And now you want to go ahead and search for IPTV Smarters Pro APK. And once you don't type in, you want to go ahead and click on the Go button over here. Click on Go. And now the Downloader app is going to give you a couple of websites. You can actually download the IPTV Smarters Pro app into your Firestick. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down and click on the official link from IPTV Smarters Pro, which is basically this website's over here. So you just want to go ahead and click on it, and you can see from the top over here it is actually iptvsmarterspro.com. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down just like so. And then you want to get to where you have the Download Files option. So which is this option over here? Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on APK file. Just like so. Now you also want to scroll down and click on Click Here. Now go ahead and close these ads. And now we have the IPTV Smarters Pro downloading into our Firestick. Now once it is done downloading, it automatically starts installing itself into your Firestick. And what you just want to do over here is to go ahead and give the downloader the permission to install apps from unknown sources into your Firestick. So go ahead and click on Settings, just like so. And then you want to go ahead and click on Unknown Apps. Now you want to go ahead and turn on this option for Downloader. And once that is done, you want to go back to your Downloader app again. And then you want to go ahead and click on the Install option over here. This is actually the APK we just downloaded into our Firestick, so go ahead and click on Install. And now the IPTV Smarters Pro app will be installed into our Firestick without any issues, so you just want to go ahead and click on the Install option at the bottom. Go ahead and click on the Open button over here, and now we have the IPTV Smarters Pro are running on our Firestick without any issues. Now you want to go ahead and choose whether you're running it on a mobile device or on the TV. So we are going to choose the TV. Now you want to scroll down and then click on Accept. And now we have the IPTV Smarters Pro on our Firestick. Now you can go ahead and log in using the Extreme code or